Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It really helps. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, both QQQ and SPY gapping down. I've added the daily chart of SPY to my second screen layout so that I could clearly view the levels of support and resistance for SPY on the daily. So as you could see here, we have 385 as a level of support and 395 as a level of resistance. So 395 may not be in play today because SPY has to move close to around $9 to get there, which is another 2 to 3% move on SPY. I don't think it's going to happen today, but 385 could act as a level of support, and if that level breaks, I think we may get some good moves to the downside. So that would be a level of support that I'll be watching. Right now, we have a clear downtrend, but it could be a bad trap. So I'll wait until market open to see how SPY and QQQ reacts and then define my trades based on that. We do have over 10 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. SPY actually opened near the pre-market lows. Could be a breakdown setup. If it wants to come down again, I'll be interested. Okay, 50 I got in one. Breakdown for me. Selling one at 1090. Now just holding one. Selling. No reason to go short now. $386.50 could be a breakdown level. But right now, no setups to the put side. SPY failing to break this level. If it breaks, I think we'll have more upside. Finding some resistance around 387.50. Trading within this window now. So choppy and so tricky. We have higher lows. I'll be interested only if that trend breaks. I may have to wait to see whether this level comes into play. Trying to get in around 750. Didn't get it. I'm in 780. Big 10 I got out of one. Out. I want immediate flush. Even though I saw 890 on the ask, I did not get filled. 780, 810 and 830. Those are my exits. I think it has the potential to flush even further, because right now candle has not retraced 50%. Yeah. Just when I thought I was right, SPY proved me wrong. Approaching another level of support. So happy for my first trade. Hindsight, I could have made a lot more if I had held my contracts, but that is not how scalping works. The setup was a breakdown or bailout setup. So I took it, anticipating this level to break. It broke and it was showing some hesitation, so I took it out. Now, why I'm not taking this level? Because 385 is a level of support on SPY, and clearly SPY bounced off that level. Very strong bullish candle forming now. No plans to go short. This can act as a level of quick resistance, but it could just go through it. Considering how SPY has been trading last few weeks, I don't want to take it. I think we may get another breakdown. But I'm not going to take it in the first retest. I'll count this as a first retest. Clearly deceived the bears here. So glad I did not take it. Now it's coming down again. Watching carefully. Hesitating to drop. Could be a very risky setup. That's why not jumping in. That's not the kind of breakdown I was looking for. That was a false breakdown, as you could see. Quickly reclaimed that level. I knew it was risky, so I did not take it. So far into the day, I just got some modest gains and I did not want to give it away. All those people who anticipated the breakdown and got in short would now be deep under the water. Premium moved from $7 to $5.50, just like that. Getting in, anticipating a breakdown. $8.80 I got out. Out. Perfect trade. Anticipating a breakdown, I got in. Even before the retest, I got out. Adding another $100, so that's $200 on the day. I'll take it. It may go down from here, but I'm not concerned. Already locked in my fair share of profits. Low was 385.26. Just made a new low and reclaimed that 385 level. Seeing the choppiness, I think it would be a good time to wrap up my trading for the day. I don't want to extend and give back my profits. So a decent day of trading, making $220 in around 30 minutes of trading. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.